Google has just unveiled the Pixel 9a, a mid-range phone packed with features and a low price. At an eye-catching starting price of $499, the Pixel 9a offers impressive value compared to competitors. What's more exciting is that Google has made significant changes without raising the price from last year's model. Notably, the Pixel 9a has a brand new design, bidding farewell to the previous camera bar feature. A standout feature of the Pixel 9a is its AI capabilities, which enhance overall user experience significantly. Equipped with a new Tensor G4 chip, the Pixel 9a aims to outperform its predecessor in various tasks. Let's talk about the stunning 6.3-inch display that offers more real estate compared to the Pixel 8a. Impressive is an understatement, as a maximum brightness of 2700 nits enhances visibility even in bright sunlight. The Pixel 9a comes packed with powerful cameras, a 48 megapixels main camera, and a 13 megapixels ultrawide lens. Are you a night sky enthusiast? Get excited about the astrophotography feature added to the Pixel 9a. One exciting AI tool on the Pixel 9a is Pixel Studio, which generates images from text prompts effortlessly. The Pixel 9a introduces a larger 5100 mAh battery, promising extended life for the on-the-go user. Despite boasting advanced features, pre-orders have been delayed due to a reported component quality issue. Stay tuned as Google assures us the wait for the Pixel 9a to go live in April won't be long. Unlike the iPhone 16e, the Pixel 9a offers dual rear cameras, enhancing photography options for users. For those who shop smart, understanding Pixel 9a deals can save you a significant amount of cash. In a competitive landscape, Pixel 9a is vying for attention with rivals offering similar pricing and features. With the new macro focus mode, the Pixel 9a takes photography to another level for detailed close-ups. Another innovative addition is the Add Me feature, perfect for including yourself in group images seamlessly. Curious about the trade-offs? The Pixel 9a lacks some higher-end AI features available on flagship models. Where does the Pixel 9a stand against the Pixel 9? Let's unpack how these models compare for buyers. Engage with Google Store notifications to stay informed about availability changes of the Pixel 9a. Potential buyers are eager to learn how the Pixel 9a holds up against Apple's offerings in the mid-range market. Best Buy will introduce a $100 gift card offer when purchasing the Pixel 9a, adding another incentive to buy. Despite innovative features, the Pixel 9a's storage options face comparison challenges against more budget-friendly rivals. Google's careful approach with the Pixel 9a reflects their commitment to quality amidst earlier launch missteps. Intrigued by battery life? The Pixel 9a aims to build on its predecessor's performance with its new battery design. With its giant display combined with effective software updates, the Pixel 9a enhances user interaction immensely. The transition to a pill-shaped camera layout presents a sleek aesthetic change while improving grip on the device. Pixel 9a owners, get ready for the latest Android 15 operating system, ensuring your phone's longevity and security. After all, the Pixel 9a is designed for those who appreciate a balance of performance and affordability in tech. Will you make the Pixel 9a your next smartphone? The features seem to tick all the right boxes for many.